Okay, right now it's at 29 feet. Bass right next to geese, but you never know. There's a hit. There we go. I was wrong. It's a tiny little pickerel. Or was a tiny little pickerel. What? Like that? Right there. That's a hit. Come on. What are you? Oh, I lost it again. So something's eating it. Hey, look. All right, keep us sitting here. All right. I'm gonna fix this up. Yeah, there you go. There's another bite. And this time I got you. No, I don't. Dang. All right, somebody's jerking me around. Okay, that's good. Let's drift up. Dang! It took my bait. All right. Give me in. There we go, look. Came right up and bit it, look. Came right up and got it. Right in front of me.
That's a big thing.
It's called a pickerel. They love to fight. He just came right up and grabbed it. They just love to fight. He will not give up. Okay. Wanna check him out? He's gonna bite you. He's okay. Pretty cool, huh? It's pretty, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You know what I forgot to bring? My measuring board. Want to measure him for me? There's a tape measure right here. See it right in the top?
Mm-hmm.
Look, see that right there? See how it comes out? Go ahead and measure him from nose down the end of the tail. Right. And do it sideways like that. Don't worry, he's not going to hurt you. All right, now he's getting hung up in the tape measure. Here, let's lay him down. And my tape nose just, what's it say? 21 inches?
Mm-hmm.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Thank you.
Is that like...
Here, watch. You want to watch him go?
Mm-hmm.
Watch him go, watch. Whoop, there he goes. All right, back here at Loch Raven with my son. He doesn't want to be on video, but we didn't get skunked today. We didn't have a great day. It's a little cold. We're ending early.
A little?
A little chilly. Ending early. We didn't get skunked. We got the one pickerel, and it was fun, right, Ben? Looked like the swim baits were the winner today. The white swim baits seemed to be the winner. I was getting some interest and some hits on a different part of the lake, which we'll try out another time.